Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the PETCO app review to see if it worth using. So to get started with a in-depth review about the PETCO app. The PETCO app is a handy all-in-one tools for pet owners, letting you shop for food, toys, and supplies, schedules, grooming or training sections, and manage your vital care reward from your phone. You can set up repeat deliveries, track orders, and use in-store pickup or curbside service, which make regular pet care much easier. Many users appreciate having shopping appointment and loyalty pick in one place, making it a great companion if you shop at Petco often. On the downside, some users report app glitches like login issues, slow loading, or error when booking services. And a features such as prescription management or certain grooming slots can also be inconsistent depending on your location. And here's even an intake about the Petco app. It's worth it if you are a frequent Petco customer and want a convenience on the go, but casual user might be fine using Petco's website instead. And that's it. I hope you find the video a little more helpful. If you did, subscribe and follow for more. Thanks.